Hey guys, welcome to Summer Auto Part. Today's video we are going to introduce our body kits for new Ranger. This is a Raptor 1x1 design which is going to make complete faceless change, and we can find it. This car is already upgraded the body kits which change the bonnet, the fender, the headlights, the front grille, the front bumper, and the totally different front faceless than the previous design. And we can find on the back side, we can find the fender and the bonnet which material is iron, and we do also change the wide wheel edge which is a Raptor wide design, and this is the primer colors, so you can paint in any colors you want. And we will find the wheel edge once become wider, the wheel rims is the tire is becomes much smaller, so we will going to change the tire and the wheel rims which make it much more beast. And this is also the fender vent cover. In the next project we may going to make it with LED or make it carbon fiber look, which is a little bit different with Raptor style. And let's go to the back side to check the details. On the back side, we do also change the complete fender, the rear trunk fender, which is make it wider with the wheel edge. The wheel edge is plexus, and this is iron material. So once you change the rear fender, you need to painting it and or make some PPF. So this is the complete body kit for the Raptor 1x1 design. And the headlights we do not change it yet because there are something different, which is the Bronco style and also the high profile design in the market. So in the future we will make videos about the Raptor style, and we do also make a project for the simple design which only change the front facelift and make it a rubber style, because most customers don't want to change the fender and the bonnet because it's take a lot of time and the low cost a little bit expensive. So keep follow some auto parts, and we will focus on for the Ranger T9 this year. I'd like to share our new process of the production and also the design team for you guys reference. If you have any suggestion about new for the Ranger projects, production suggestion, please feel free to contact us and get me more ideas. Thank you very much for your watching today, and see you next video. Bye bye.